Student sitting at a desk, looking puzzled while typing in a ChatGPT. Thoughts swirling, frustration visible. An idea sparks as a light bulb appears above the student's head. Suddenly, inspiration strikes, displaying a new prompt on screen. Act as a personal tutor. Explain a complex topic in simple terms with relatable examples. A vibrant visual shows ChatGPT processing the prompt, generating a detailed yet simple explanation tailored to the student. Cut to the student's reaction as they read the response. Eyes widen in realization they didn't understand. Next, the screen illustrates different prompts that can enhance communication with ChatGPT, showcasing their versatility. Focus on a prompt. Act as a career coach. Provide advice on job interviews tailored to my background and experiences. ChatGPT delivers personalized tips, helping the student prepare with confidence for their upcoming interview. A scene showing the student practicing interview questions in front of a mirror, gaining self-assurance with each person. Transition to a new scenario, showing the student seeking help with a writing assignment, excited to use the newfound skills. Prompt example appears. Act as a writing mentor. Help me outline an engaging essay on my favorite book. ChatGPT constructs a well-organized outline, highlighting key points and strategies for effective writing. Visualize the student at their desk again, confidently typing away, inspired by the structured guidance you see. Wrap up with the student leaning back, smiling as they review their completed assignment, a testament to their progress. And with a call to action. Remember, use smarter prompts to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and elevate your learning experience.